Here's a pair of the Bose 700 NC headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Element 4K Xumo smart TV via Bluetooth. So first thing we have to do is go to the settings on our Element TV. If you have this remote right here, you got your gear icon, which is your settings button right there, right up here. If not, we can go directly to the TV, go to the home screen on the TV, press the home button on the remote. And then we want to go to the gear icon on the top left-hand side, just highlight it, okay on the remote. From here, we're going to go down to picture and sound. So go down, down, picture and sound right there. Okay on the remote. From here, go down to audio settings. So down, 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 audio set, right there, audio settings. Okay on the remote. And then from here, we're going to go down to Bluetooth devices. So down, 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 Bluetooth devices. We're going to click on OK. And as soon as we do that, it's searching for devices that are in pairing mode near me. So now we got to hurry up and put these into pairing mode. Now, on the one side here, you have it's the power button / Bluetooth button. You can see that Bluetooth picture right there. What I want is the light here to blink blue, 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 a slow blinking light, which would indicate it's in pairing mode. Okay, so let's go ahead and turn these on. Okay, it's already a blue blinking light. It already found it. Okay, however, you don't have a slow blue blinking light. Just hold this button again, just hold it for 3 seconds and then wait till it starts blinking blue like this. Anyways, in pairing mode, it already found it. Bose NC 700 headphones. From here, just click on OK on the remote. And then we're going to click on OK to pair. Pair is already highlighted. In this way, couldn't connect to your device. Make sure your device is turned on and in range. It is. Hold on one second, let me troubleshoot. Okay, so there we go, I found it again. I had to turn it off and then turn the headphones on and turn it back on, put it into pairing mode, and now I just found it again. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and click on OK, pair again, and then let's see if it works the second time. This is the first time I'm connecting these headphones to this TV as well. What do you know, finally, now it says connected right there. So we're connected and we're good to go. However, if you have issues connecting or pairing, you can always reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below. Anyway, we're all set up on this one now.